loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today I am very excited to be participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by my friend Jessica over at Measure and Mix and by Antoinette over at Simple Yet Chic. These two very lovely ladies has asked us to put out a video that is a DIY Christmas or holiday themed centerpiece challenge, and the rules for this challenge were just to make something that is Christmas or holiday themed for a centerpiece for your table or in your living room, your kitchen, wherever, and that was it. I have here a wood block on this side that was used for a friend of Chad's at a wedding, and so it was gifted to me after, and I am going to try to make this a focal point. On top of that, I have these little bitty glass like bowls that I may use to give some height to some pieces. I also have this wood block back here to give some height to some pieces. I have some boxwood greenery, a few pieces of ribbon, this one here and that one over there on that table runner. There's an assortment of picks. There are these two acorn and they are candles. There's an assortment of different ornaments in the back, and I have some flocked pine that I've had for years and a couple of tea light holders, which I don't have the tea lights out here, but they're from the Dollar Tree in the very back. And we're just going to jump into this and see what I come up with. So here is my final project, and I have to say I am kind of surprised with myself on how it actually came out. Initially, when I decided to do this challenge, I thought for sure I was going to lean on the lighter side of things. But when I saw this acorn ornament that I placed fairy lights in, as you can see, I also put some of them in this one, I knew I was going to be leaning toward the cranberry reds that I absolutely love. All of these ornaments either were already in my stash or they came from Walmart. And all of the extra flocked pine and the little berries and the other picks were already in my stash. I absolutely love how this turned out. I placed it here on one of my acorn placemats, and it's just sitting here in the back of my kitchen because I still have my Thanksgiving table to show you guys, so I don't have a place to put this right now. But I absolutely positively think that it turned out very, very Christmassy. So I want to thank Jessica and Antoinette both for including me in this collab. I will link both of their channels down below along with the playlist once they have it available for all the other participants. Please go by and show everyone some love and tell them I sent you. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacey's Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe subscribe button. We have a lot of fun here. Hang out with us for a while. I do DIYs like this and stuff on the regular, and I will be doing a lot of Christmas videos coming up for you. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee, space the same way that it is spelled here, and I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves. Okay guys, the more I looked at this, the more I wasn't exactly loving the ornament that was on the bottom right. And so I changed it out to a different one, and I think it makes it look a little more cohesive. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. And like I said, I will catch you guys in my next video.